What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Alxr and I'm back with a brand new video. In the last couple of videos that I've done like different ways to lace and different ways to style your Nike Air Force 1 lows, but it's always been on the lows. And a couple of you have requested that I do the mid, so I went ahead and seeing as it was requested, I picked up a white pair of Nike Air Force 1 mids, and today I'm going to show you two different ways you can lace and style your Nike Air Force 1 mids. Before I get into it though, if you are new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below for more videos from me. Also turn on the bell too so you can be notified every single time I upload a brand new video. And if you do enjoy the video, if you do find it helpful, make sure you smash that thumbs up button. Also, if you have any other video ideas you want me to do, make sure to let me know in the comment section below. Now, without further ado, let's just get straight into it. Let's go! Getting straight into it then, this is style number one. We're going to start with this shoe first, and the first thing you're going to want to do is just strap them up to make sure that the strap doesn't get in the way of the laces as we're tying them up. Also, if you hear the shoes squeaking and stuff, it's because they're new, so they're making that new squeaking sound. So we're going to start off with this shoe first, and the first thing you're going to want to do is take the AF1 tag, take the lace and put the lace through the tag just like that, and then take the lace and put it through the two bottom holes first. So you just want to go ahead, take the lace and put it through the inside hole first, just like that, and then pull, keeping that AF1 tag in the middle. Then put the lace through the other side, just like that. It's a little bit tricky because it's the bottom, so there's not a lot of space to get it through, but yeah, just like that. Next thing you're going to want to do is take the laces and hold them at the top like that. So hold them and then pull up and then move the tag around so the tag sits in the middle and the laces are the same length on either side. So you just want to keep pulling up, holding the laces at the top and just moving the tag around until it's directly in the middle and the laces are the same length on either side. And now, as you can see, the laces are the same length on either side. So now we can go ahead and start lacing the shoes all the way up. First thing you're going to want to do, take the inside lace and thread it through the second outside hole, just like that, keeping the laces flat and loose. So you want to make sure the lace is flat going across but also loose, because this is how to loosely lace them. Then take the outside lace and thread it through the inside, once again keeping the lace flat and loose. So what you're doing is putting the inside to the outside and then the outside to the inside, so that this lace here, the lace is going inwards, so it's over the top of the inside lace, and you just want to do that all the way up until this point here. So once again, take the inside lace and thread it through the outside, and then the outside and thread it through the inside, and then the inside through the outside, and then the outside through the inside, keeping the laces flat and leaving a little bit of lace just like that to keep it loose as well. Then once you get to this bit here, it's up to you if you want to put the lace through. Personally, I think it makes the tongue sit so much better when you're wearing them. So if you do want to put it through, you just want to go ahead, put the inside lace through first, like that. And then when the outside lace goes through, you want to put it through but over the top of the inside lace, so it sits just like that, and then put that lace through as well, just like that. Then you want to take the inside lace and put it through the outside, and then the outside and put it through the inside. And now you just want to go ahead, take the strap off, put the outside lace, the inside lace rather, through the outside, and then the outside through the inside. And then once you get to this hole right here, the third one from the top, you want to take the inside lace and put it underneath rather than over the top and pull through, and then the outside underneath, just like that. Now what you're going to want to do is go ahead and loosen the laces off all the way down until you get them how you want them to look. And then use your thumbs and pull on the sides of the shoes. And you can just go ahead and just lace them up. And then loosen the laces off to get them how you want them to look. So this is style number 1. This is how to loosely lace your Air Force 1 mids with the bow. Now I'm going to show you what they look like on feet. Let's go. So for style number 2, we're going to start off with this shoe, and you want to go ahead and, if you've done the first style, you want to lace them up to this bit right here, so it's exactly the same as the first style, the way it's been laced to the top, but you just want to lace it to this bit right here. So for the number 2 second style, what you're going to want to do is take the inside lace and put it over the top through the outside and pull. This time we're not going to do the strap up because we're going to get to the next bit pretty quickly. So next thing, take the outside lace and put it through the inside, and then the inside through the outside, and then the outside through the inside, so the third hole from the top. And now what you're going to want to do is take the inside lace and put it through the second hole from the top underneath, just like that, and then pull through and leave that little bit of lace hanging over the edge, and then take the outside and put it through the second hole from the top underneath, just like that. Now what you're going to want to do, once again, loosen the laces off going all the way down, get them how you want them to look. So this is style number 2. You have the laces loosely laced all the way up, and then once you get from the second to the top hole, you just have the lace hanging over the edge, just like that. So yeah, this is style number 2. I think it looks pretty fresh in my opinion. They're really easy to get like on and off as well. You can just like super easily slip them on and off super comfortably. I think they look pretty fresh this way. Make sure to let me know in the comment section down below which your favourite lacing style is. Is it either of the 2, so 1, or is it 2? Let me know in the comment section below. Now I'm going to show you what they look like on feet. So that was just 2 different ways you can lace and style your Nike Air Force 1 mids. You got like the bow look, and then you also have the look where like the laces stick at the end. Make sure to let me know in the comment section below which your favourite lacing style is. Is it number 1 or is it number 2? Make sure to let me know in the comment section below. Today's comment shout out goes to Sushi Sauce. I appreciate you watching. If you are new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below for more videos from me. Also turn on the bell too so you can upload every single time I upload a brand new video. And if you do enjoy this video, if you did find it helpful, make sure you smash that thumbs up button. I do just want to quickly say thank you for real, like for the subscribers, like how fast we're going now, like how fast the channel's going. It's crazy. Yesterday we got 1,000 subscribers in a day. Like bro, like what? Like 1,000 subscribers in a day, that's insane. So like for real, like thank you. Like we're going crazy, we're going up 10k super soon. I really do appreciate it, and more videos to come. If you got any video ideas or anything you want to see, like could you comment to do a lacing on the mids? So if you have any other videos, like anything else you want to see, make sure to let me know in the comment section below. It's been your boy Alxr. I'll see you in the next video. I'm out. Thank you for watching. Peace.
I'm on a new level, headed to another league. This shit will never stop. My future looks overseas. I'm on a new level. Check out the blueprint. I'm rocking Gucci, mixed match with Givenchy. I'm on a new level, so see if I can neutral it. Chest like it's Nike. May I just do it?